trade lower. In the currency market, the rupee is at a record low against the dollar, even as it remains on a tight leash. However, the fall is minor as the Indian currency is just 4 paise below yesterday's close. Forex traders have attributed the fall to persistent outflows from foreign funds. That is the rupee for you. Latha is standing by to explain to us where the rupee could be headed. Latha.
Yes, it is a new closing low, but nothing dramatic about it. It's a very uneventful dip. Actually, the rupee has fallen only 0.05%. Today, the Korean won fell 0.5% and the baht has fallen 0.3%. So actually, rupee is one of the better performing currencies despite this so-called all-time closing low. The reasons are what has been for the last 5-6 weeks, the dollar's strength because of the rise in US yields, as well as FIIs relentlessly selling Indian shares. But the Reserve Bank for the past 5 weeks has been countering it by offering dollars. It's sold something like nearly $4 billion in the past 5 weeks. And that's why the rupee has actually been very ranged. For the last 24 days, it's moved only within a 24 paise band of 83.05 to 83.29. Extremely ranged behavior, despite the fact that there has been global turbulence. You know, US yields over the same period from September 25 to today have moved like 10% from 4.5% to 5%. Likewise, the Japanese yields have moved like 30%, from 0.75% to about 0.95%. Compared to that, and the DXY also has moved. Compared to that, the rupee is extremely ranged. Today, the fact that the RBI has allowed the rupee to go to a new closing low, albeit just by a few pies, chances are it will allow a very slow depreciation of the rupee if the dollar continue to strengthen. But so much will depend on what the Fed says and does.
All right, Latha, many thanks for